Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer door hinge. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door hinge. The door hinge is what the door rides on when you open and close it. The minute you should be changing it out so it's damaged and the door is not opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to take the door off the dryer. So we're going to put a towel across the top of the dryer so we can put the door up there. We don't want to scratch anything while we're working on it. Once you have the towel up there, we can open up the door. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the door hinge on. As you're taking the upper screw out, you want to hold on to the door and make sure it doesn't fall. Once you have the screws out, you can set the door up on top of the dryer. Now that we have the door on top of the dryer, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out all the screws that hold the inner panel on. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to separate the inner door liner and turn it over. Now we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the bracket on. Once you have the screws out, you can lift the bracket off and set it aside. And then we can lift the door hinge off. We're going to have to remove these 4 bushings. Once you have the bushings off, you can pull the door hinge off. Here's the old door hinge next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new door hinge in, you want to make sure it's oriented right. You want to make sure these pins are on the top. And then we can put the bushings on. All you have to do is push them onto the pins. And then we can set the door hinge into the inner panel. Once you have it in place, you can set the mounting bracket on. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Now we can turn the panel over and set it into the outer panel. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have all the screws in, you can put the door back on the dryer. To put the door on, all you have to do is line up the hinge pins and set it into place. Then you can hold the door in place, use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.